Okay, now here comes the color theme. So, what were the color themes they used to use? Used as emotional effects. So, emotional effects means I think everybody know what are the emotional effects we used to represent the colors. Like red is for anger, blue is for royal things. Like they used to paint usually uh, king and queen with royal colors, royal blue colors, wearing something royal blue. And yellow for marvelous, pure hues of red. Pure hues of red, like bright red color they used to use. Yellow, blue, brown, white were used without mixing with any color. So these are the colors they used to paint without mixing with any color. They just want the pure hue of that color in the painting. And next line I have bold just because this is very important. Gold and silver used to add glamour. They used to use gold and silver colors also to use or to add on the glamour in the painting. Next point is two dimensional. All these miniature paintings are two dimensional. I will show you the paintings later on. The perspective, even the human figure, all these things are two dimensional. Like they have used flat colors, they have used transparency, but all things are two dimensional. Simple lines and flat colors are used without any gradation. Next point, symbolic paintings. So what are the symbolic things they used to take from the paintings? That is Radha Krishna for love and devotion, love and devotion. Nature description, as I told you, background, they in the background they used to use so many things like trees, mountains, skies, so many things. Hunting scenes they also paint, folk dance also. हाँ, so abhi when we come to the sub schools, so I think in every sub school they used to use folk painting also. वो उनका जो भी मेन थिंग होता था उसी को लेकर के दे यूज टू पेंट इट, देयर फोक डांस, देयर फोक म्यूजिक, वट एवर इट इज, दे यूज टू पेंट इट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ह्यूमन फिगर. ऑल फिगर्स आर स्मॉलर इन प्रोपोर्शन टू द फेस. सो फेस बड़ा, फिगर छोटा. दैट मीन्स ऑल फिगर्स आर स्मॉलर इन प्रोपोर्शन टू फेस. Female figures are painted with lotus eyes. Lotus eyes means lotus eyes. You will see. Flowing hairs, long hairs, firm breast and slender waist. Very thin body, like very fluent body they used to paint for the females. And ornaments like diamond and pearl studded jewelry like earrings, rings, armlets. Okay, the next point is garments. So क्या क्या चीज़ें they used to paint, they are wearing in the painting. For females are usually wearing lehenga and choli with transparent dupatta or chunni, you can say. And for males they used to wear pajama and patka. And what is patka? Patka is that a small frock type kurta that Rajasthani uh, people usually wears in their folk dance and folk musics and all. Next point is size. Size is large in comparison to other paintings. Means if we are going to compare from different miniature paintings, though there are so many miniature paintings. If we are going to compare with them, so Rajasthani paintings are larger from different miniature paintings. Chalo. Now here some related questions are there. So abhi whatever I have taught you till from the beginning till this point, whole origin and development, characteristics, features, all comes to in all these questions. Means all these questions want the same answer. Okay, don't confuse in the question in the exam. First question is write an essay on Rajasthani painting. Next is write an essay on the origin and development of Rajasthani painting. Third one is main characteristics of Rajasthani paintings. And fourth one is salient features of Rajasthani painting. So all these questions need only one answer: origin and development, characteristics, main features. But I request you all, please do write in headings and points all the answers, because it will give you more marks than from writing in like paragraph types. Though they are saying the write an essay, in essay we have to write like एक अच्छा सा टॉपिक डाला, like you have written origin development, then after that some points, after that you have written characteristics and features, and after that all the points. So write in points. The examiner don't have that much time to read the whole paragraph. You have to write in a simple language, and in CBSE we all know we have word limit. So don't think that कि अभी मैं 5 पेज का लिखूंगा तो you can get the marks. So this is not like that. Next thing is short notes. Question number 1. Write the titles of any 5 miniature paintings. Answer is Maru Ragini, Raja Anurid Singh, Hira or Hara. So there is some confusion because in our syllabus, CBSE syllabus, they have written Raja Anurid Singh Hira, and in the Wikipedia I have seen this is there. They have written over there Raja Anurid Singh Hara. So there is some confusion, I don't know. So you must go with your CBSE pattern, CBSE syllabus. This is my recommendation. Next point is Chogan players. Fourth one is Krishna playing flute and dancing Gopals. Fifth one is Radha as Banithani. Sixth one is Bharat meets Ram at Chitrakoot. So they have asked in question 5 things. So all these 6 things are in our syllabus, so we should know, and we will create some short notes on all these points. Okay, these are some famous painting we should know. These are all are in our syllabus. Next point is mention the name of any 5 sub schools of Rajasthani painting. Again they have asked 5, but we in our syllabus there are 6. So what are the schools, sub schools? Mewar School of Art, Bundi School of Art, Jodhpur School of Art, Bikaner School of Art, Kishangarh School of Art, and Jaipur School of Art. These are the sub schools. I will let you know all the things, all the short notes of each and every one. Okay. Okay, thank you all. This is the end of this session. The next part of the same unit is short notes of, as I told you, short notes on Rajasthani sub schools and famous paintings. So that will come soon. Please do study whatever I have told you. Thank you so much for watching this.